Jay, what's wrong with Blueface? That's child pornography, bro. Why did you, bro?
Isn't that called like child pornography?
Yeah, but why would he post that picture that his son took a picture of himself in his phone? Why are you posting our kid hernia? Yo, I didn't even know that's. I'm thinking he's popping shit about CPS. I didn't even see him post a dick picture. Why would you post my son dick picture, Blue? Why would you post my son dick picture, Blue? Why would you do that, bro? Why would you do that, bro? First I'm thinking, cause y'all, I'm thinking he just mad about me not signing to MILF Music for real. Only did the video just to be cool with him, cause I know our type of people like he is. If you're not cool with him, he gonna start playing those bitter roles, start using court and lawyers and CPS. So I was like, fuck that shit. I'm cool with your bitch ass. You ain't change your name. I don't want to. When it got to the nitty gritty to actually sign paperwork with MILF Music, I don't want to. I didn't do it. And then when he want my checks back into his name from Zeus, I didn't want to do it. I can't do it. So you post a picture of my son dick for clout. Why are you posting our son, bro? And why would you post it, bro? Bro, like, bro. Like, I'm thinking of arguing about something else. That just found out it's a picture, bro.
Come here. Come here.
Bro.
Come
Bro. Bro. I have proof. Like, bro, he was booking a fucking flight. I've been making all of my baby's doctor's appointment in Baltimore. He was booking us a flight back home to LA when he put in Chrisean Jr. He stopped booking our flight and started putting these bitter baby mama. Yeah, he was online and why he posted his penis? You lucky my brothers is locked up right now, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God.